कीव में शहरी और फौजी यूक्रेन के दारहुकूमत के दिफा की तैयारी कर रहे हैं क्योंकि रूसी फौजियों ने शहर पर अपनी पेशकदमी जारी रखी है। हथियारों से लैस रज़ाकार रूसी टैंकों और फौजियों के काफिलों को सुस्त करने की उम्मीद में रुकावटें खड़ी कर रहे हैं, सड़कों पर नस्ब कर रहे हैं।
What do you have to do you think?
Shoot. Just shoot. And protect my home. That's all. It's easy.
Nobody knows what Putin can do today or even tomorrow. And we need actions right now, not next week or next month. It will not work. So we need actions yesterday.
I can't explain you what the feelings of our Ukrainians in here is, because everyone has relatives, has their loved ones who are under fire right now, or who was wounded right now, who was killed right now. It's impossible to explain to people who don't live in such of despair. But this despair, it's not despair, oh, we are surrendered. No, it's despair, we will win. We will fight you back to hell, where your place is.
No purpose for this. So why do they do this? I want to fight also, because this is my country, this is my home, my thoughts, my family, all of my, I don't know, pressures, everything is here. And I would like to be this, like that way it was before.